Baby, if there's a type of mango that you like, I'm pretty sure they have it. I'm pretty sure they have it. I'm pretty sure they have it. It's Venus mango. Bigger fruit, beautiful round color. Indian variety. Seasoned middle, Bombay mango. Yeah. A diamond mango. Yeah. And like there's a smaller one. Oh my gosh. A Philippine mango. A fruit cocktail mango. A juicy peach mango. Y'all, I have to go replace all these flavors so I know which one to get. A Tony. So many mangoes. Oh my gosh, tell me Florida doesn't like mangoes. A compact tree, an oxtail mango, yo. And it looks compact, look at it. A fruit punch mango, an ice cream mango, a harvest moon, a cat, hey, I got that one. Ordered this is a creme brulee mango, a cotton candy mango, peach cobbler mango, a lemon zest mango. Listen, when I tell you I'm walking. A ugly Betty mango. Look at it. Oh my gosh, pina colada mango, small fruit, pineapple, coconut flavor, honey kiss. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, orange sherbet. Different sizes of them. Yo, a Hayden mango. A Sugarloaf mango. Oh, we're not finished. Didn't I tell y'all we weren't finished? Hold on. A Juliet mango. I gotta run. Super Julie. A dwarf Hawaiian mango. A Malik mango. A Malika. A buttercream mango. A coconut cream mango. A Kit. Oh my gosh. You're gonna have to come back. It's gonna be a part 2 because I mean, I don't know if I'm researching this many mangoes for my mango. Yo. Jakarta. Whatever kind of mango you want from home. They got it. They got it. All summer mango. You see any with fruit on? A Lancelet, a triple sec mango. Sweet yellow tangerine flavor. Seasons early. Very large. Look at the size of those mango fruit. A Kesar. A little gem